In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zap in Zapier that uses Notion as the trigger when a new database item is added. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the Zapier website. Once you're there, log into your Zapier account and wait for the dashboard to fully load. It helps to make sure you're on the main workspace screen before moving on so you can clearly see the navigation and create options without any confusion. From the dashboard, look toward the top corner area and click the Create Zap button. This is where you begin building a new automation from scratch. After you select it, Zapier will open the editor, which is the workspace where you define what should trigger the automation and what should happen next. For this video, we're focusing specifically on setting up the trigger portion correctly. In the Trigger App search area, type in Notion and select it from the list of available apps. Choosing the correct app here is important because this tells Zapier where it should listen for activity. In this case, you want Zapier to watch your Notion workspace for changes related to a database. Once Notion is selected, move to the event field and choose New Database Item. This event means the Zap will start whenever a brand new item is added to a Notion database. If you use Notion for tracking tasks, projects, leads, content, or internal records, this kind of trigger can be very useful because it allows Zapier to react automatically the moment new information is created. Take a moment to confirm that the trigger app is set to Notion and that the event is set to New Database Item. Being careful at this stage can save time later, especially if you plan to connect this trigger to other tools and actions. A small setup mistake here could cause the automation to watch the wrong type of activity. At this point, you've completed the initial setup for your Zap by logging into Zapier, creating a new Zap, selecting Notion as the trigger app, and defining the trigger event as New Database Item. From here, you'll be ready to continue building the rest of the automation based on what you want Zapier to do after a new database item appears in Notion.